Hello. Determine the nature of the roots of this quadratic. X squared add 3x add 1 equal to 0. There's something called a discriminant. And that's simply b squared minus 4ac. And we want to determine whether it's less than 0, greater than 0, or equal to 0. Now if it's greater than 0, then we have two real roots. If it's less than 0, then we can have imaginary roots. And if it's equal to 0, we have two real roots that are also equal. And we know that the structure of a quadratic equation is in the form ax squared add bx add c equals 0. So in this case we have b is equal to 3, a is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. So let's see what b squared minus 4ac equates to. Is b squared minus 4ac is equal to b squared, which is 3 squared, minus 4 times ac, and this gives us 9 minus 4, which is 5, which is greater than 0. So b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, so our roots are two real roots. So this is the nature of this quadratic determined by the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.